Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today we got this piece of junk that I picked up on Marketplace. I got it for free, so it was a pretty good deal. I'm going to turn this into a welding cart so I don't have to haul my welder around by hand anymore. It's got this wood piece here on the back with a little bit of wheel action. I got two new wheels, bigger wheels that are bigger, better, stronger. So we're probably going to trash these, but let's get to it. So I got this really cool yard cart that's got a fat hole in it, so it's basically useless if I want to haul around any liquids or soft solids like dirt or sand. For wood it's still okay, but also this broke off, so that's nice. But it's got some upgraded off-road tires that I put on here, and I think we can just steal this axle and put it on the cart over there. This thing's already got pre-drilled holes here and here, and check this out. Bam. Those fit like perfect. So I think we're gonna put the caster wheels on this side, and then we'll figure out something for this on the back, which, you know, it's the same. It's actually, this is wider, but I think we'll cut this, put one on this side, and then we'll put one on that side. Oh yeah, dude. Badass. Pretty sweet. Right there. We're actually going to drill a hole right there so that this is pretty flush. Thinking probably right in the middle of these guys. Boom. Beautiful. Let's do the other side. Sweet, dude. That thing's badass. Just need to get these like upright. Not right there, probably. Dude, that came out so great. They're a little crooked, but that's all right. This thing like is so smooth. You can just push it wherever you want. It's awesome. I got this thing for free, dude. I mean, I did buy these wheels and those wheels, but those are cheap, dude. Little welding wire, and you got yourself a cart. Like, this is ready to go the way it is. but we're gonna obviously do a little more modification to make it fit my welder and my stuff. I don't have any gas. I have the ability to weld with gas, but there's this cool little cutout down here and up here that, you know, we could maybe do something for the future if we ever do get some bottles. I think they would go perfect right here on the back, or I guess that's the front. Yeah, because we'll put a handle back here so you can lift this thing up, take it off-roading. Or you can go street style. You can go street. It's still a little warm from welding, but dude, look at that. Did you just look at that? Oh, it fits in there like good. That's like meant to be. Holy shit. That's awesome. Sweet, dude, check this out. Bam, got a little holder for my angle grinder now, which is pretty badass. Fits in there. Hey, what'd you bargain at? I gotta throw the ball for him. Yeah, so this fits in there like perfect. It's almost like just a bit too snug, but that's awesome. Next thing we're going to do is build a little handle so we can do some of that. We're going to use this piece of metal. Yeah, that came out exactly how I wanted it. Perfect, actually. It's got a little bit of space. We can hang some stuff down the middle. It works great. That looks awesome. It really gives it a, you know, a welding cart look. All right, so we're gonna finish up the welding cart today. I went and looked at some bottles for argon, and the one I was looking at is an 80 cubic foot bottle. It is, the bottle's 31 inches tall, so I think that'd be perfect on here, and it's 7 inches wide, which if you look at this gap, it's about 14 inches. So it's honestly perfect if we wanted to have 2 bottles on here if we ever needed to mix gases in the future. The only thing is I'm not going to buy it because I don't need it right now. I don't have any major welding projects coming up super soon other than my truck. I want to do some side steps and a front bumper for sure, possibly a rear bumper. So when that time comes, we'll probably buy it. Right now it's about $320 for a brand new bottle at my local store, and that's filled with gas. I looked online, they're all about the same price, actually a little bit more. But I did find one website that's just the bottle, and it seems to be the same for 150. So when the time comes, I think we might see if we can get that one online and take it to the shop and get it filled up. It's about $80 a fill, I believe, for argon. So what we're gonna do now is just finish painting this thing. We're gonna do all black. And I got some stuff in the mail. This is weather stripping with some self-adhesive tape. That's to cover up this disgusting cut that I did with my angle grinder. I got some LED strip lights for this thing. It's gonna be sick. It's working now. Must be an extra piece. Oh, and the controller works. Sick, dude. Orange, green. It's not really green, blue. That's red. Am I tripping? It's just the tape that's on there. Dude, that looks so sick. I just duct taped it up there so you can actually reach it from up top. Little switch. Turn the lights off. Lights on. And then the controller. I just keep the controller up here. I like the way it is with the flashing, but I mean, you could use it white, maybe. Controller's not very good. Yeah, it's not even working. There we go, it's kind of working now. I think that's white. See, now we can change the colors. Can we do orange? It's like super delayed, what the hell? Red, green, blue. There we go, white, yeah. That way you can actually have a legit light on this, the white, but put it on smooth. Come on, buddy. There we go. Party time. Right on, so that's going to do it for the DIY custom welding cart. If I add a bottle in the future, I'm sure I'll show you guys that in a different video. But for now, it's so awesome. It's exactly what I need. The little weather stripping I put on this is kind of too thick, so this doesn't latch in there anymore, but I mean, that works totally fine. It's going to rest on there. It's not really going to fall off unless you bump it. What else I got? The shelf came out good. I have a TIG torch in here and a gas gauge for the bottle, so I already got that stuff ready for when we do get a bottle. The welder fits in there really snug, and I got my mask and gloves down there. So I'm super happy with this thing. It came out great. I got it for free. I got this contraption for free. I already had the wheels. I bought those. A couple things of spray paint and a bunch of, and a bunch of extra metal I had laying around. Made this beautiful handle. So we're going to park this thing right over here. Make sure to turn party mode off. Perfect. Right on. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.